In this quick video, I'll show you how you can update the DeepSeek app so you never miss out on new enhancements. Keeping the app updated ensures you have access to the latest features, performance improvements, and important security fixes. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, the update process is simple and takes just a few seconds. If you're on your iPhone, open your App Store, but if you're an Android user, you'll want to find and open your Google Play Store and then open it. Once we open our dedicated stores, simply go over to your search bar and then type DeepSeek AI, or simply DeepSeek. You will then get these search results, so just find the app icon which looks like this and open it. If you have the latest version of the app, then you'll see a button that's called Open. This means that your DeepSeek app is fully updated to the latest version, so you don't have to do anything. But if you see this update option just like I have right here, then you'll want to tap on that button and then wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of the DeepSeek app downloads and installs onto your device. This will get you all of the fixes and performance improvements for the app, as well as the new features which they might roll out for the app. So once you had updated the app, you should get the new features and improvements. Keep in mind that they might roll out the features for some countries and regions at first, but for other countries at a later time. So if you don't see the option which you're looking for even though you have the updated version of DeepSeek, then that probably means that the function isn't available for your country just yet. So all you can do is wait a couple more days or week. That's how we can update our app, everyone. You have the playlist in the description of this video if you need more tutorials about this app, so go and check it out. See you soon.